Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Right now, Bitcoin just hanging around 30,000 once again, chopping sideways. We'll take a look at Project Elrond in just a little bit, but let's just take a look at Bitcoin moving sideways, starting to come up a little bit right now, trying to probably go and retest this resistance around 30,750. But again, we are just chopping sideways. You can even see that we may have a little bit of a small pattern starting to form here, a bit of a symmetrical triangle, if you will, and it is going to test that trend line sooner than later. And you know, the apex is, we are pretty much at the apex, the climax of this symmetrical triangle, so you're probably going to see a move either to the upside or to the downside pretty soon. But let's take a look at market cipher on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and you can see that right now we have a 12 and a -1, so with a red dot on top of that. So it is bearish, right? This is quite bearish in my opinion, and you can see that the momentum waves are rolling over. You do have a red dot. The VWAP is starting to cut back in at the same time that the momentum wave is going down. So overall, some bearish price action. You could even take a look, I believe the 8-hour or the 12-hour. The 8-hour, you have a red X, right? In the 12-hour, however, you know, that red money flow has almost recovered back to the green. So, but this doesn't mean, you know, you're home free to open some longs, right? You want to take a look at what could be happening, and right, with the DBSI with the 16 and -5, this indicates that downside could be coming. So always take that into account if you guys use market cipher. If you don't, you guys can buy it, links in the description. If you don't want to, then I stream it 24/7 for you guys for Bitcoin and Ethereum, just for you guys. But yeah, let's get into a little bit more analysis on some altcoins. Like right here, Project Elrond right here, getting a nice little bounce here around $61.01. Like I mentioned in the Discord yesterday, I said you could be taking a look at this pattern right here. This trend line could be coming into effect. If it does start to dump, you might catch a nice little bounce around $61. Right now the price is starting to go back up, but let's just see what Bitcoin does, because if Bitcoin does start to go down, you're pretty much guaranteed that all the other altcoins are going to fall as well. Let's take a look at AVAX. I actually want to mention that a lot of these altcoins are in some similar patterns, some down sloping channels, which are bullish in nature. So right now, if AVAX does start to come down, you could probably take a look right here. It is going to find some support around $17.77 if it does start to dump towards the downside. But again, you still have some major support coming in here at $23.34 when we have been holding support so far. Right, we do have some economic news coming out to this week, but I'll talk about that in just a few moments. We can take a look at Solana as well, a down sloping channel, which is a bullish, bullish pattern in itself. Sorry, I'm looking at my phone right now. I'm getting some text messages as I'm making my video. And let's take a look at one more, I believe. I don't remember which one I had. There's so many coins in in this list right here, but okay, it's okay. I'll take a look at that in just a bit. But right now, I actually want to take a look at Chainlink, because Chainlink might be starting to form a nice little M pattern right here. As you can see, right here, starting to break out of this resistance around $8.80. But if we do start to come down, you can take a look around $8.01, and you have like Kenny mentioned in the Discord, you have a bit of a bearish divergence forming on that 1 hour. But just be safe, play it safe, don't go all in on your trades, and if you do go in a trade, please use proper risk management. And by the way, bagging 3 more wins today for the gold members in the Discord. If you guys want to see my trades, the link's in the description, and my profit loss history is on my website. And so far we have an 87% percentage gain on our starting balance and a 88.37% win rate. Yesterday bagging a big one on AVAX, over 33%. But again, small wins on a big win on a small trade is still a win, and those small wins add up to big percentage gains overall. And let me take a look at natural gas. As we can see right here, natural gas taking a big dump towards the downside near the end of the day, and right now in the overnight markets down already 5%. Again, retesting this support right here around $8.13. If this level starts to give away, I'm going to be starting to take a look around $6.93 as your next touch point. And if that doesn't hold, and then I'm going to be really starting to take a look at maybe $6.54. and after that probably $5.47. But I think we are going to find some support around $6.54. But right now, you know, I've been calling for a drop in natural gas for a while. You can see big bearish divergence forming. We've been adding to our short position, and I'm also adding to my short position on oil. I can really see oil starting to get a nice pullback as well as we get close to that $130 level, around basically the peak that we had during that big spike during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. But yeah, overall making some good money when, you know, things are slow in the Bitcoin market, in the crypto market. As you can see today, you know, not much action in the crypto markets. Very slow day. People were bored out of their minds in the Discord. I think they just wanted something to happen. They wanted Bitcoin to go up or down, do something at least. But, you know, rest assured, we are going to get a big move sooner or later as the CPI data comes out on Friday. The expected forecast is 8.3%, which is the exact same as the previous one. So they are expecting inflation to top out around 8.3%. Let me just pull up my inflation chart right here. And you can see that inflation did actually make a high of around 8.5 right here on this level, or 8.6 if you will, 8.7. I'm pretty sure it was 8.5, but yeah, it is 8.5. It did come down at 8.3, and they expect it to stay at 8.3. Anything under 8.3 or even matching 8.3, you will most likely see a big rally in the equity markets. You're going to see a big rally in the traditional markets, and most likely a big rally in the crypto markets as well. As you can see, Bitcoin right now is just getting ready for a very big move. You know, it's been accumulating and chopping sideways for more than 3 weeks now, I believe. And at this point, you know, that move is going to be, you know, I wouldn't say on a biblical scale, but it is going to be a very sizable move. Are we going to top out, you know, around one level, 33,000, and reverse back down? That's very possible, but I still see Bitcoin going at least, you know, maybe to 34 to 35,000, but nothing's guaranteed in these markets. You know, don't bet the farm on it. I have a few trades opens right now, but again, that's not my entire portfolio. You know, you can even see that Bitcoin has actually been chopping sideways so much that we actually are, you know, we are still in this macro channel to the downside, and we actually could take another dump down to 26,600, and you know, just reconfirm that bottom wick right here, and then maybe we'll go back up to the outside. Maybe this is a giant W pattern, right? A very possible scenario as well. Are we going to go to 41,000? In my opinion, I don't think so, but anything is possible. Let's take a look at those hash ribbons. Once again, those hash ribbons are so close together. Right now, they are about to cross into capitulation. Actually, they are touching, and you know, if we do cross today or tomorrow, then that would signal the capitulation of Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean that we can't go up before we start to crash down. As we can see right here, when we got a capitulation cross, we did pump up, you know, towards the upside, I believe 17% from the low right there, so 21%. But if actually at the cross, we ended up going down 7% before ultimately going back up 18%. So maybe we'll take a dump towards the downside and then we'll reverse quickly back up. But usually near the peak of the bear markets, when you get a capitulation cross, it is slowly followed by a big correction of around 50% in the crypto market. So if this is the time to crash, you know, it's very possible, but I still have my bets towards the upside. You guys know where I stand in the Discord, and if you guys want to join, the link's in the description. Hey guys, sorry, I just hit the stop recording button on my keyboard before I was done recording. But yeah, just want to thank you guys so much for your support. We're at 10,934 subscribers. I never thought I'd get this far. I actually didn't think I'd ever have a YouTube channel, but I'm glad everyone is enjoying it, and especially everyone in this Discord is learning a lot every single day and making amazing trades, and that's what makes me happy. I'm just happy that you guys are making money and preserving your wealth and actually, you know, getting sort of some financial freedom and making good trades overall. Well, yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you all, and peace. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's in the description. You guys get access to all my trades and all my charts on the crypto markets and the stock market. And if you guys don't want to do that, you guys can also support the channel by signing up for Big Get Trading with the link in the description.